How do I make a gift from a castle trust to avoid the 5-year look-back period?
Welcome to Barry's Bites. Please join our host, attorney and financial advisor Chris Barry.
Let's say we have a married couple. Let's say we have husband and wife, and they gift assets to the castle trust. So what are the advantages of the castle trust? Starts a 5-year clock for long-term care / Medicaid. Because Medicaid looks back 5 years to see if you moved any money. And if you have, then they're going to penalize you. They're going to say that's a divestment. And now, even though otherwise you'd be qualified for Medicaid, they're going to say you don't qualify. So what you can do with the castle trust, though, is once you move the money into the trust, and let's say 5 years go by, then what you could do is you can make gifts to beneficiaries if you wanted. And because it was made from the castle trust, not from you, that means that it doesn't restart that 5-year clock, because the 5 years starts right here when you move the money into the trust. By moving the money into the trust, that's what creates the 5-year look-back period. So this is the most important. It's not when the trust was created, it's when the money moves into the trust. So this is when the 5 years start. And then once you've made it the 5 years, then you can make whatever gifts you want, and everything inside of the trust is protected. If you're looking to make gifts and you don't want it to trigger any type of divestment penalties or create any issues for long-term care or Medicaid, then it's great to set up the castle trust, which starts that 5-year clock. It builds in that asset protection. And then once you've made 5 years, then you can gift to whatever listed beneficiaries in the trust. And if the beneficiaries aren't listed, you could always make changes to the trust to add those people as beneficiaries. So yes, you would just make the gift directly from the castle trust. So question kind of continues, would it be from the key holder account? The answer is a hard no. We want it directly from the trust, because the key holder account, if you do have a castle trust, remember, it's kind of like just a joint account. So that means it touches your name again. And if it touches you, then it restarts the 5-year clock. But if it's gifted directly from the trust, it does not restart the 5-year clock. So very important. Don't gift it from the key holder account. You would gift it directly from the trust.